Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're not going to talk about how long it's been. We're just going to pretend like I've been posting this whole time. I have a big Zara haul for you guys today. If you haven't unsubscribed because I haven't posted, thank you. And if you're new here, subscribe because your girl's back.
I'd rather be alone tonight. You could say I love you through the phone tonight. Really don't wanna be in your arms tonight.
So the first thing I picked up obviously are the viral boots. Here they are in all their glory. They're absolutely amazing. These are $79.99. They're so comfortable. I'm the kind of person that picks things up even if they're not my size. These are a size 8. I'm a size 6. But they work, like they're so comfy. I feel like it was probably a good thing because then if your feet start swelling up, they've still got a little bit of space, you know what I mean? I want to show you the heel because it's actually so low. It's tiny, so they're so comfortable to walk in. They're a little bit slippery, so you've got to kind of like break them in a little bit, like scrape them on the floor. But these boots are perfect, and I will show you how they look later on because literally I paired every single outfit with them. So starting off, well, second thing actually is this beautiful bomber jacket. Like, let's take it in for a second. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I got this in a size small. It's got like padded shoulder pads, and I don't know how much this was because I've worn it quite a few times now. I feel like it was about £90, but your girl got this in this sale and I think I paid 20 quid for it. Take it in again, like absolutely love it. Perfect investment. It goes with so many different things, so if you can still find this, I will link everything below, but try and get your hands on it ASAP. The next thing I got is this super mini skirt. It's pleated all the way around. It does come with a belt, but I took it off and I don't know where it is. This isn't in the sale, so you should be able to find it. It also comes in grey, but like I said, I'm going to tag everything below. I probably will style this mini skirt with the jacket and the boots, and let's see how that looks. Love this jacket. I love the structure of it. I feel like you can style it so many different ways. The boots are super comfortable, and I love the fact that the skirt has a built-in pair of shorts. So the next thing I picked up took me so long to get because it kept going out of stock, but it's this beautiful like shirt dress. Do you want to stop? It's not funny, seriously. The next thing I picked up was this shirt dress. I found it. Oh my gosh, forget this, I'm not doing it. The next thing I got was this shirt dress. This took me ages to get because it kept going out of stock. But I love it. It's like this little pinafore kind of dress style. It's got like a low back with the shirt obviously built into it. It was £55. I think I got it for like 15 quid, so bargain. Up is this cute cord. It's like this brown tartany kind of waistcoat with a leather detail on the top, and this beautiful mini skirt as well. I absolutely love it. It's going to be such a cute fit for like brunch or lunch, whatever. Let's see what this looks like on now. The next thing I picked up is this grey kind of like structured balloon sleeve cardigan. It's got hook and eyes that go down the middle, and it's in this like beautiful charcoaly kind of colour. I did get the matching skirt to go with it. I've already got it on, but I'm going to show you what this full outfit looks on. The final thing I got was this beautiful like what am I saying? Suits, like two-piece. I couldn't get the blazer, it was completely out of stock. So it's this like greenish, like tealish kind of waistcoat with the matching high waist trousers. I wish I had the blazer. They only had like extra large, and that would be like too big. But let me show you what this beautiful two-piece is like on it now. So much for watching this video. I feel like I keep bending down because the tripod is low and it won't go higher. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this channel, this video, this Zara haul. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next. If you want to see another Zara haul, which I'm going to do anyway, whether you want it or not, let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next one.